enormous benefits and opportunities for the country. Migration being an immediate one, where we have proper control of our borders and are able to have a conversation with a country about the type of migration that we want and need. Right? We weren't able to do that inside the European Union. At least now we are in control of it. When it comes to trade, it means that
Warning, warning, warning. This is not a drill. This is an emergency broadcast. United Kingdom government. We detected a suspicious strange object moving to your city on 760 km/h speed. Currently we have small amount of information how the object looks like. First, the object is about 219 centimeters tall. The entity makes a strange sound and it's much faster than the hypercar. The object destroys everything on his way, so please, do not stay close to the windows or front door. If you currently on the street, hide at the nearest building. Do not try to run from the object. You will die as soon as it comes close to you. Currently the object is 2 kilometers from Manchester City, moving on M602 motorway. If you live close to Water Street or Egerton Street, please find a shelter immediately. We are sorry for interrupting you. Be safe.